Hello again, Beanie here. In this episode, myself and Piesy went for a quick evening winter fish here in Perth. There wasn't a lot biting, but still come home with a good feed of Deweys. Enjoy.
Good, very good. Oh my god, that is so flat. Welcome to another episode of BlissNiques. In this one, we've got Piesy with us. It was his birthday last week, so we're trying to get him onto a birthday snapper. So that's the plan today. We're going to do a little bit of drift fishing for a little while for Deweys. Might even put the lures in just for now to get to that spot. Can you believe this? This is middle of winter in Perth. I'm in shorts. Unbelievable. I cannot believe this weather. Usually I'd be working when the weather's like this. Anyways, we're going to punch it to the spot we're going to start fishing, an old spot actually. And yeah, fingers crossed we can get a snapper for old Piesy for his birthday. Hopefully. What we're doing at the minute, I've got the lures out the back just to chase a tuna. But at the same time, I'm checking out all the ground around the area. Two things at once. You can always come back and definitely check out. There's a lot of good ground around this area, so multitasking. We're gonna give this a go. That's a lot of structure there. That's unbelievable. So give that a quick go. I had some leftover skippy frames in the freezer, which make awesome Dewey baits. Nothing goes to waste. For those of you who don't know, this is just a sea anchor. It just slows us down in the current with a little bit too much wind. Yeah, it's very, very handy. Keep your sinker on the bottom. Probably don't even need it. We're out drifting pretty slow. The wind did just pick up before, but she looks like she's dropped off again. So, all right, let's go. Let's do this. Good luck, Piesy.
Yes.
Nothing major. Dewey. Oh, you know what I didn't get? It's the net. It's only small. Oh, nice. He'd be 50. Just. Yeah. Yep. There we go. He's on there. 51.5. Thanks, buddy. Oh, it's dinner. We will put him to sleep. Okay, he's not massive by any means, but he's 51.5. Even that clears the old rules, so very, very happy. Very, very tasty fish. Western Australian jewfish. All right, now it's your turn, Michael. It's just something very satisfying about catching a fish on the first drop. All right, we'll circle back around, go back again. Michael had a good hit as well before, so we'll try and find that guy, and then yeah, continue on. Well, the plan is go for a bit of a Dewey bash first, and then we're gonna anchor up just before that sun gets too low in the sky and burley up big time, and then give us every single chance to get a snapper. It's been a long time actually since I've caught a snapper, so I really love to get one of them in the boat. So fingers crossed that all happens. So I just did a little bit of homework before we left today. Just found a couple of little spots on Navionics that I really wanted to check out. They're sort of like no man spots as well. It's just like tiny little lumps. You try and find these spots that people don't get, flog out a lot. But yeah, obviously it worked, so we'll do it again. Alrighty, couple of drifts then, but no luck. So we're just going to punch it to where we were a couple of months ago, where we got some nice Deweys, and yeah, that wind's actually the right direction to drift along this ridge that I really want to do. So punch it to there, and fingers crossed no one's there. There's a few boats out now. The conditions are absolutely beautiful. Alright, go that way.
Two drops on the same spot.
Like the beanie, go the maroons. Well, we've set up. We're all just playing the waiting game now, pretty much. No bites or anything like that at the minute. But, once that sun goes a bit further down, fingers crossed. We're just on the back of a little bit of a bommy. There's two bommies, and we're sort of in the middle of them, so it's not a lot of difference in the off the back of it, but hopefully it's enough. Alrighty, we're in prime time for snapper. Sun's just going down, just touching the horizon. They're fussy little buggers. They don't like biting when the sun's up. Well, it's very rare to catch them when the sun's up anyway, put it that way. Yeah, morning or night. Oh, okay, take that off. Alrighty, sun's long gone. No bites at all. It was the quietest I've ever fished for a long time, so I don't know, the fish might have just gone straight off the bite. We got that Dewey anyway. We'll get Piesy onto a fish at some stage. Another one. Oh, I'm puffed out, I just pulled the anchor. Unfit. We're just going to drift for about a minute, just to drift over this lump, and then if we don't get anything, we're just going to punch it back. Just as I was signing off, the last bit of bait, something grabbed it. It's not fighting very hard. I don't think it's very much. Oh, it might be a Dewey. It bloody is too. It's only small. We were just off the mark by that much. There we go. He's only tiny. Hopefully he'll swim. Oh, his bladder's up, hey. This might be Piesy's birthday present. Yeah, I don't think he's going to survive. His bloody bladder's popped out. Now, any day of the week, I'll happily say that's an undersized jewfish, but his swim bladder was popping out, so he would have died anyway. That's one advantage with the new rules. Some people love them or hate them, but I mean, it would have been an absolute waste if we just threw that back. He just would have died anyway, so yeah, at least we get to eat him. Little fish fingers, little tiny ones, but yeah, I mean, he was still 40 centimeters, so like, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll be back very shortly for another adventure. Cheers.
G'day guys. New to BlissNiques, we have our t-shirts available from medium to extra large. These are screen printed to last longer and are super comfortable. If you'd like to support our channel, hit us up on Instagram, BlissNiques, $45 plus postage. Cheers.